to my channel. Thank you again for joining me. In this video, I have been doing a series called Instant Loves since last year. I've been trying to do it every month, but sometimes I don't find anything that I instantly fall in love with, and sometimes I do. So today and this month, January 2019, I do have a number of instant loves that I have tried this month, and I would love for you guys to also know about it. The caveat being, these are all going to be things along the lines of a low carb diet or keto friendly diet. And as a lot of you know, or maybe some of you know, I've been on the keto diet since last year. I've lost a number of pounds. I've really I feel really energetic, and I've slimmed down, and I really love the way it's done my body, let's just say. I do kind of do lazy keto sometimes. I'm not like diligent. I have my better days and I have my not so better days, and I don't beat myself up about it. I just basically try to stay under 40 grams of carbs a day, and if I don't make that, I don't beat myself up. But I have made very good, I think, choices as I go out and as I eat out, or if I'm preparing food in the house. I've just gone away from rice, I've gone away from potatoes, I've gone away from French fries, I've gone away from a lot of noodles and things of that nature, and really pared down and more into the vegetables and meats, okay? Fish, poultry, steaks, avocados, things like that. You kind of probably see me posting some of my food choices on Instagram. You should be going over there and following me on Instagram anyway, so I'll leave my Instagram handle down here so you guys can pop over there and at least you know, come join me and join that community and everything. And I talk about everything from, you know, diet to skincare to all the stuff that I talk about here. I kind of do photos or small fast quick videos there on Instagram, so definitely something that you might want to, you know, go and check out. Okay, all right, shameless plug on my part, right? All right, so without further ado, so for January we are concentrating on keto or low carb friendly items, and I've got 4 over here in no particular order, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the first one. The first one I have here is the Slim Fast Keto. They just came out. Slim Fast, I don't know if they just came out. Okay, I don't want to lie, because let's just put it to you this way. I just found them. But this is the Keto, Slim Fast Keto Meal Bar. And this one, it does say new on here. And this one is the Optimal Low Carb Ketogenic Nutrition. I'm going to put on my little granny glasses so I can read it to you guys. And it is made with whey protein, coconut oil, MCTs. The flavor is called whipped peanut butter chocolate. I've been eating this for the past, you know, like week or so, and I'm telling you, these are yummy. This is really my go-to for breakfast. I am a very lazy breakfast person. I don't really make a huge deal out of breakfast. To me, breakfast is coffee with a little side of something, and it's usually a protein bar. And I do see in the back here, they have a variety of different keto-friendly bars here. They've got meal replacement bars, keto snacks, keto support products. And one bar is total carbs is 15 grams. Now, dietary fiber is 9 grams, so you kind of minus the 15 minus 9. And then they have 3 grams of sugar, and the rest is 2 grams of I can never pronounce this, erythritol. Net carbs, so they go through the whole math for you, because people like myself that are really math challenged, they go ahead and do the whole math over here for you. Hopefully you guys can see that. And it's 15 minus 9 minus 2 minus 1 gram for glycerin equals 3 grams, 3 net carbs, okay? So again, for breakfast, this is my go-to now, starting this month. So I love it. So that's enough said of that. Now I finally picked up MCT oil. And again, I'll put it over here so you guys can see it. This is a big, 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 big bottle. This is by Purely Inspired, 100% pure MCT oil. This is a full 16 fluid ounces, and it was about $12.99. Now, Slim Fast had a smaller bottle, an 8 fluid ounce bottle of MCT oil for $11.99. So I chose this one over the Slim Fast one, and if you go over to my Instagram account, you'll see that I've snapped. I did like a very quick little video about all of this on Instagram, how I picked it out. I was in Publix and I kind of discovered it and blah, 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 blah. So I'm going to just read you a couple of things over here too, just so you guys know about the MCT oil. And oh, by the way, I'm putting this into my coffee, so that's what I'm doing. I'm putting 1 tablespoon of this MCT oil into my coffee right now. I know that I can do that for my salad dressings if I make a salad dressing or anything like that. But right now, just almost kind of doing a bulletproof type of coffee. 1 tablespoon is 130 calories and total fat 14 grams. And of course, it has 0 grams of carbs, and negligible. And it's made from coconut oil. So again, that's how that looks like. And it says here, keto certified, non-GMO, gluten-free, and vegan-friendly, and certified paleo. So if you guys are on paleo or keto, you should be incorporating this into your diet. So that's that. Next one up is, which I found, now this is where I get into what I call like the lazy keto once in a while, but this is the only noodles that I have found that are real legit noodles that are lower in carbs than normal noodles are. I cannot stand those shiitake jelly like noodles. I will throw up. I tried doing that, and they tasted like jellyfish, literally like jellyfish in my mouth. I took 1 bite and it was like, no way. I'd rather not have any noodles ever than have that. So this is the Al Dente Pasta Company, and it's called Carba-Nada. I found these in Publix, but they, I think they are now available in multiple stores. I think they're available in Aldi's, maybe Walmart. I think Walmart as well. Not sure about Costco, but they are definitely available online on Amazon, and I have put a link to all of these keto products, by the way, including this Carba-Nada, on my Amazon store. So easy peasy. I've got a keto category right up there on my store. So if any of you guys are interested in going and getting any of the keto products, it's right there, and very easy to order it. So this is egg fettuccine, which I absolutely love, and it's got 24 grams of carbs per 1.5 cups. So 1.5 cups dry, which is 2 ounces. So I think that's probably probably like 2 cups cooked. I'm not very sure, but it's quite a substantial amount. Usually when you're doing pasta, it's 1 cup cooked, and it's usually about 40 grams of carbs. But this is for like almost like 2 cups, half that. And then it's got 7 grams of dietary fiber, 2 grams of total sugars, 0 added sugars in it, 15 grams of protein, and it even comes with like a recipe in the back on how you can cook it, making fettuccine. And then it's made of semolina flour, but it is non-GMO, digestive resistant cornstarch, does have some cornstarch in it, so again, if you guys do not want to have any of that, it has wheat gluten in it. It's got whole eggs, soy flour, water. So it contains wheat, eggs, and soy. So if you guys are allergic to any of that, this is not for you. But again, as an alternative to pick my battles, if I want to have a cup of real good tasting noodles, this is what I'm going to go for. Along with that, for a topping, now this is what I found. I found the Prego Homestyle Alfredo sauce made with fresh cream. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so yummy. And this is huge, by the way. This is so, so yummy. This has only 3 grams of total carbs, 0 dietary fiber, 1 gram of sugar, so that is it. The serving size, though, is 1/4 of a cup, so if you do like a half a cup, like I would do a half a cup of sauce on my bowl of pasta, so basically 6 grams of carbs, but still it does not break the bank, and you know, it is delicious. It is absolutely delicious. It's made with, I'll tell you some of the ingredients. It's made with cream butter. It's made with part skim milk. It's got salt in it. It does have soybean oil, egg yolks, Romano cheese. It does have some sugar in it, so if you guys are very, very strict, I think I just lost my feed, but as I said, it's got very minimal sugar in it. It does have some in the ingredients, so if you guys are not, you know, are very strict keto and don't want any sugar whatsoever, then this isn't, you know, it. But it does have some xanthan gum. I guess that's for a thickener. It's got garlic, black pepper, and cheddar cheese, and some wine in it. Oh, that's kind of interesting. Bay leaves, wine, caramel color. So that's about it. I really, really love this one. I just absolutely love it. On top of that, pasta. So again, this is my little indulgence, and still not breaking the bank. I don't have it more than maybe once a week or once every 2 weeks. So I'm very, very conservative about my carb intake and pasta intake. Okay, I got all that. I got everything. That's it. Yay, guys, I got through everything. So thank you so much again for joining me. And, you know, try these out as you will. Again, they are up on my Amazon account, so if you want to just go up there really quickly and get them, that's great. I will put links to that below in my description area now, so I'm trying to be easier on myself and easier for you guys to be able to go ahead and hunt down some of the products that I talk about, okay? And that way you don't have to you know, leave a comment or try to figure out, oh, what was that she was talking about, and where did I see it, in which video. I mean, it could be months till you maybe want to try something, and then, you know, you have to go and hunt back toward my videos from a few months ago, and try to find the link to that item. So this way you can go up on my Amazon account and you know, and find it under the various categories. I've got the keto category so far. I've got a health category, like just general food. I've got some kitchen appliances, you know, guys, that I do some Instant Pot recipes and other recipes. So things that I use, like a Dutch oven or a skillet or anything like that, I will go ahead and put those up there as well. Some jewelry, of course, you know, because I love me some bling. So if I find things that I've used or want to try, or basically are on my wish list, I'll go ahead and post that up there as well. I've got a techie category, and that's basically my camera and equipment and lighting and all of the other stuff that I do here. So yeah, a little bit for everybody. No obligation to purchase. It just helps me a little bit as far as putting money back into this YouTube channel, and being able to, you know, I pay for everything myself. Nobody subsidizes me. I'm not a big channel. I don't have a partnership. I don't have a channel network partnership. I don't, you know, go on photo shoots. I don't go around the world in my private jet planes and in my brand new, you know, Teslas or, you know, Lamborghinis or anything like that. I am just me, myself, and I, trying to bring you guys valuable content, and that's basically what I'm about and what I'm going to continue to be about. So that's that. So thank you again for joining me. I love you guys very much. Give this a thumbs up if you can, and share it among your friends if you can, and that's it. keep warm. I hope that you guys are doing okay with the big weather system that's up north. I know there's a lot of snow and a lot of flight cancellations and you know, government shutdown still with the TSA. I know, guys. It's brutal out there as far as traveling is concerned right now. But hopefully everything will be resolved soon, and hopefully everybody will get back to work and get their paychecks and all of that. We're all praying for that to happen very quickly. So hopefully by the time this video comes up, there'll be a lot of things resolved. So we'll all be praying for you guys. And thank you again for your service. If you are a government worker and you're on furlough and you have been told to come back to work and work without pay, bless you guys. You are doing a great and fantastic job, and we all support you. And that's all I wanted to tell you guys about that. Okay, I love you guys. I will talk to you